Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining us. My name is Sheena Marajh and I'm a Redken Educator. You can follow me on Instagram at sheerwithsheens.redken. So now we're going to be talking about Allsoft. Our Allsoft line is one of our hero lines within our hair care franchise. Because it is our longest standing hair care line, but not only is it our longest standing hair care line, it is also one of our most loved hair care lines. Being able to offer our clients argan oil within their hair care, this is going to be good for moisture capability. It's going to be great for even clients that live in healthy hair and they just want premium product for their hair. Within the line, we have our shampoo, our conditioner, we have our heavy cream, which is a hair mask. We also have our Argan 6 oil. This is a multi-benefit use oil, really great for high density or thick hair, also really good as an oil treatment. As a stylist, I like to use it personally overnight to give my hair a really great moisture barrier, but also allowing for that moisture intake. Rinsing it out in the morning allows your hair to feel like butter. We also have our Allsoft Moisture Leave-In. The active ingredient is not only argan oil, but it has hyaluronic acid. The same way we use hyaluronic acid for our skin, this is going to allow for the hair to be more supple. It's going to allow for more moisture retention, and it also has 450-degree heat protection. Being able to offer our clients that are product minimalists a heat protector, a leave-in that's going to give some moisture as well as smooth out that hair. This is a beautiful opportunity for all clients that sit in your chair. Thank you so much for joining us today, and if you want some more information, you can follow us on L'Oreal Access or follow me on Instagram.